Sometimes.
Okay.
Oh.
Wait.
All right, take two.
Sometimes.
Oh.
Something beautiful happens in this world. You don't know how to express yourself, so you just gotta sing.
I just committed adultery, and it didn't feel good.
Didn't feel good.
A woman had to put on a scarlet letter.
I just committed adultery, and I would always go back.
Always go back.
To not committing adultery ways of the past.
Have you ever committed adultery? I have. It didn't feel great. Felt so bad when I did it with Hester Prynne. Hester made me do it. It literally just happened. Committing adultery can make a nice man out the meanest.
Never guess where I just came from. That's right, committed adultery. If I had to describe the feeling, it was ghastly. When I committed adultery, man, it felt so bad. And Hester went to prison once. We were done.
Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Guess what I just did? Had sex and made a baby named Pearl.
It sure
Mean of you to let her do that thing.
I mean, of any girl ever now seen.
I just committed adultery, and it didn't feel good.
Didn't feel good.
A woman had to put on a scarlet letter. I want to tell the whole tale.
To be honest, I'm surprised she even made me do it. Doesn't really make sense, but man, screw it.
I am one to argue with the bad thing. She could be my wife.
That bad?
Worst 10 seconds of my life.
With that in mind, Hester always been better. Plus, she let me wear my collar in scarlet letter.
She kept looking at her watch.
Doesn't matter, still sin.
But I regretted it the whole time.
Doesn't matter, still sin.
I actually might be pregnant.
Doesn't matter, still sin.
She carved an A in my chest.
Still counts.
I just committed adultery, and it didn't feel so good. Hester had to put on a scarlet letter. I just committed adultery, and I always go back to the not committing adultery ways of the past.
Yeah.